Sa kapag ano po sir, parang very interactive person ka po, like parang very approachable ka po sa lahat ng mga tao, even na hindi mo po na-close mo po or hindi, parang kinakausap ka mo po ganun. Parang very approachable ka po at some point, ganun po sir. Kaya marami ka
Okay.
ring friends sa ganun.
Alright. Sige. So, hindi ka ganun.
Sa true sir.
So, call the next one.
Si Fria po, Fria Pilapil.
Go, Pilapil.
Hello po,
Good.
I'm Priya Tian Pilapil and yung three statements ko po ay first, ang dominant hand ko ay yung left hand ko po. Then yung second, pag bored ako, nagpe-play ako ng piano. And last po, pinanganak ako sa ibang bansa.
Hmm. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close.
Yung live po doon is yung nagpa-piano.
Sorry. So, saan ba sa atin? Ito yun.
Next po si
No. Sagutin mo muna yung tanong. Saan ba
ay,
sa
sorry po,
pinanganak?
at sa Saudi po sir.
So, munti ka naman na. Pero, may mga bumoto kasi nung number 3. Kung walang bumoto ng number 3, panalo ka sa akin. Okay. So,
Next
go ahead for the next one.
si Joseph po.
Go,
May
so,
audible po, sir.
happy yung audio.
Ah, my name is John Erlosep and my three puwede pong ano sir, i-chat. Mahina po yung internet, eh.
Okay na siya ngayon. Tingin na lang. Hindi. Hindi
Okey,
tuloy.
sige po. Ang statement 1 ko po is, I currently have no Wi-Fi connection and is using cellular data. Second statement is, I have earned at least 10K on editing short form content, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and FB Reels. And last po is, I don't know how to ride a bike.
Good once, going twice. Oops. So what's the lie?
Ang live po ang live po is yung 10K po sa editing kasi pati po long form ine-edit ko din po.
Okay.
Next next po is si Jerome Salbahan.
Sige. Go girl.
Hello po, good afternoon po sa lahat. My name is Jerome Salvahan and ito po yung three statements about me. Uh, First, I won the Best in Pambansa Kasuotan Award in 4th grade. Second, I've been to an on-site ML tournament. And third is I make rap music.
So going once, going twice, and close. So what's the lie there? Go.
Uh, yung lie po is the third statement.
So, mukhang kilala niyo talaga isa't isa. Dahil wala pang nananalo. Ibig sabihin hindi niyo naloloko yung mga classmates niyo. Meron ako estudyante last year. Sabi niya, isa sa mga statement niya is, sa Japan siya nag-spend ng sem break. Dahil walang naniwala kahit isa. Tapos, true pala yun. So, siya yung panalo. So, yung mga ganong na hindi mo akalain na akala mo live, pero yun pala. Okay, continue. Call the next one, Jerome.
Ang next po si Miguel po.
Go.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Villas, and here my three statements. So, the first statement is I am an amateur computer technician, and my second statement is I am well versed in network security, and for my third statement is I can play the drums.
Hindi mo ito, guys. Still going once, going twice, and close. So what's the lie?
So, the lie po is the second statement. I am not well versed in network security po.
So, okay. Sayang, sana pwede ka mag-sample sa drumming skills mo. Okay, drum ka ba dyan?
Wala po,
Miguel?
sir. Tuwing nag-i-studio lang po.
So, kailan mo ba siya? Sa Raymond Marasina.
Opo, drummer ng E-Heads, tsaka frontman ng Sandwich.
Yeah. Idol ko yun. Okay. Call the next one.
Next po, si Gavin po.
Two. Where are you? Gavin.
Ako po,
Yes, ikaw daw.
dahil naman ko ang Gavin Timothy Dapas. The first statement is, my favorite movie genre is horror. Second, I like to eat kimchi. Third, I have 6 siblings.
Very straightforward. Going once, going twice, and close. What's the lie? Gavin.
The lie is second statement po.
Okay.
Hindi po ako mahilig sa kimchi.
Dati may ako sa kimchi. Nung may nabili akong kimchi sa Pure Gold, na lasang gas. Parang nadala ako. Ayoko na kumain. Parang siya? Parang nag-ferment. Nagkaroon ng methane sa loob. Something. Basta lasang gas talaga siya. Pero kinain ko pa rin. Sayang eh. Okay. So, hinalo ko sa noodles. Masarap naman. Hindi na nalasahan ng gas. Okay, go ahead. Gavin, sino yung next?
Si Cholo po.
And
Sorry.
so good afternoon po, sir. I'm Cholo Alraj or Arboleda po. So for the toothpaste and one like ko po is my favorite food po is puchero. Second one po, my nickname is Raj. And the third one po is mahilig po ako mangolekta ng plants and cactus.
Okay. So yung name daw ni So it's Raj, Chero, and Lance. So ano yung like? Ay, wait lang. Going once, going twice, and close. Ano yung line doon, Cholo?
Yung ano sir, yung nickname ko po na Reg.
Okay. So Cholo talaga.
Opo,
Kailan ka
yes po.
pinanganak,
Hindi nga po
Cholo?
masyado ginagamit yung Reg.
Kailan
Ano
ka
po?
pinanganak?
2005 po, March 21.
2000 ano?
2005 po.
Oo. Siguro pinangalan ka sa ano, no? Kay Cholo. Dun sa Endless Love.
Opo.
Oh, sabi
Sabi
niya
din si mami.
Oh, idol din yun ng mama ko eh. Si Cholo sa Endless Love. Si ano yata yun? Mas malala ko yung pangalan yun. I forget. So there, si Cholo. Dati, mga estudyante ko. Pangalan Julina, Marimar. Kasi mga pinanganak sila noong 1998. Yung mga sikat na pangalan noong 1998. Okay. Next.
Si Jewel po.
Go.
Ayun. My name is ano po, Joel Angelo Del Monte po, and my two truths in a life po is, una po, marunong ako mag-swimming. Pangalawa po is gusto ko maging presidente. Pangatlo po is paborito ko pong ulam ay sinigang na hipon.
Okay. Going once. Going twice. And close. Ano yung line doon? Jewel.
Ano po, paborito ko pong ulam is sinigang na hipon po.
Sarap pa yan. Kaya mo na.
Ay, hindi pa ako mahilig sa seafood eh.
Okay. Sige.
So, yung next pa is si Gerald po.
Hello, Gerald.
Apo.
Where are you, Gerald? Hindi ka namin narinig, Gerald. Magsalita ka. Yan, go.
Hello po, ako po si Gerald Nilquines. Yung today's statement ko po is, pag binaliktad yung second name ko is magiging nickname ng mama ko. Pangalawa po is, accident kong natawagan yung teacher ko dati sa messenger. Pangatlo po is, hindi ako natulog ng isang buong araw.
Mhm. Mhm. Going once. Going twice. And close. So, ano yung line?
Like po dun, yung number 3 po.
Okay. So, at least di ka nagpupuyat.
Hindi po masyado.
Pumatok ka sa school, tapos hindi ka natulog buong araw. Katumbas yun ang pagpasok na lasing. Kasi isang buong gabi na walang tulog. Yung kagrogihan mo nun, katumbas ng pagiging lasing. Parang tipsy ng buong araw. Meron din palapot yung loob. Okay. So, call the next one, Gerald.
Si Jerson po.
Hello po, good afternoon. So, my name is Gerson Harry Torres Acorda. And yung three statement ko po is, first one is, yung name ko po is galing sa name ng tatlo ko po na pinsan. And second, may kamag-anak po ako na dating high-ranking official sa government. And pangatlo po is consistent honor student po ako since junior high school.
And going once, going twice, and close.
So yung like ko po is yung statement number 3 po. Hindi pa po ako naging consistent honor student since may dalawang quarter po ako na wala pa akong honor nun. Yun lang po.
Okay, consistent.
Sa next po is si Kent Ocampo po.
Yung Ocampo. Where are you? Hindi ba niya? So, another one. Yung gustong mag-next, mag-volunteer, pwede na kayo mag-cast ng camera. Para matapos na kayo. Yeah? Okay, go. Andrea.
Good afternoon po, sir. Audible po ba?
Yes, pero hindi ka visible. Wait na sa atin.
Bale, three statements po.
Andrea,
First,
buksan mo muna. Andrea, buksan mo yung webcam
Ay.
mo. Pakita mo yung partner.
three statements po. First is, I practice different art mediums. Second, napunta ako sa gigs as a main vocalist of a band. And third, I'm currently a member of a National Democratic Math Org in PUP.
Yun. So, di pa rin namin nakikita yung hanapin mo ba yung webcam?
Grabe po yung sa tuwa.
Go once, going twice, going twice, and close. Okay, so what's the loud word?
So, hindi ko po kayo marinig, pero yung live po dun is yung number 2.
Number 2.
Kasi napunta lang po ako ng gigs as an artist merchant.
Okay. So, yun. Kaya lang kailan ka na classmate. So,
Hindi ko marinig,
next.
sir. Tatawag na po ako
Ah.
ng next. Si Carla po.
Okay, where are you?
And good afternoon po, everyone. Good afternoon po, everyone. My name is Carla Bautista, and my three statements po are, nakapunta na ako sa ibang bansa. Pangalawa, I love onion and garlic. Pangatlo, ginagawa kong sabaw ang suka.
Two. Going once, going twice, and close. So what's the lie there?
Yung number 2 po, sir. Di po ako kumakain ng onion tsaka garlic.
So,
For the next po, si Miss Ivy Agu po.
go. Ivy.
Good afternoon po. My name is Ivy Aguho, and yung statements ko po are, first po is, I finished the GTA 5 game story mode. And second po is, I'm a part of a church ministry worship team right now. And lastly po is, 5'3" po ang height ko.
Okay, what's the line? You the one strong first.
Una po, sir. Second po, which is, hindi po ako part ng church ministry. Active po ako, but hindi pa po belong sa ministry.
First, doing. This one more job. All one. So for the next one,
3, ano po, only done.
sweet.
Good afternoon po, sir. Marami po.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Francisco Alabang. And my two truth and one lie is number 1, I am a vocalist and I like to sing. Number 2 is I am a half Japanese. Number 3 is I almost got into The Voice Kids back in 2016.
Yeah. Going swirls. Going girls. And skills. So what's the line?
The lie po is number 3. Actually, sa school lang po talaga nakakapatid po. Next po, ang tatawagin ko po is si Mr. Ali.
Ayun, hello po, good afternoon. I am Janjo Rafael Alicio. So my two truths, one lie po is, first, I graduated salutatorian at Erie Senior High School. Second is, nag-take po ako ng NC2 Computer System Servicing. And lastly, I am an Aris baby.
Nice. Number 1, for each one. And who's the line letter?
Yung statement number 3 po, which is hindi po ako Aris baby. Taurus po ako.
So, call the next one.
Yung next po is si Sean Baldesamo.
Good morning po, sir. For my street statement po is, my second name is my parents' name combination. Then second po is, I ate veggies. Then third one po is, I've been to South Korea.
Sorry. Don't swipe. When. Okay, what's the line?
Yung lie po is yung second. Di po ako makain gulay. Next po is si Eloisa po.
Good afternoon po. I'm Eloisa May Conde. First statement po, I'm currently working as a call center agent. Second statement, graduate ako sa school na pinag-graduate ng parents ko. Third statement, I know how to ride a motorcycle.
Kero.
Yung live po yung first statement po.
So,
Apa. Next po, si Miss Christine Joy.
Christine Joy.
Hello po. Good afternoon po. My name is Christine Joy Maceda, and here are my 3 statements. First is I am 21 years old. Second is nursing yung first choice kong program sa college. And then third is muntik na akong mahablutan ng cellphone sa jeep. Ayan po. Thank you.
Okay, ano yung Christine Boy?
Ang lie po doon is yung first statement po. Kasi 20 years old pa lang po ako. Thank you.
So, call the next one. Christine.
Si Melanie De La Cruz po.
Good afternoon po, sir. I am Melanie De La Cruz. My first statement po is meron po akong aso na chihuahua. Second statement is I draw as a hobby po. Third statement, nakita ko na si Rob Daniel in person.
Glowing rice, glowing rice. So, what's the lie there?
Yung first statement po, ang breed po ng aso ko is Shih Tzu po. Next po is si Miss Anna Alexandra.
No,
Good afternoon po. My name is Anna Alexander. Ko po about myself is first I was an archery player and I played and win a lot of sports competition back in high school. And yung pangalawa naman po is I'm an
Ana, kapit mo nga webcam mo. Pero makita ka na.
Ayan, sorry, di po pala na. So yung I'm an introvert but I work in a customer service now. Tapos yung pangatlo po is pinagpalit ko po yung IT and ComSci na course sa BTLT course kahit may slot pa.
Oh. Ano yung una? Sorry. Ano yung una mo? What's your first statement again? Ano? Sorry.
Sorry po, ano po?
Yung unang statement. Ano ulit?
Ay, sorry po yung...
Close. So tell us the lie, Alexandro.
So yung live Yung lie po dun is yung number 3 po.
Kasi di talaga kapani-paniwala yun. Mabilis maubos yung IT. Okay. So, next.
And then yung next po is si Miss Desiree Melicor po.
Good afternoon po. My name is Desiree Melicor and my two truths and one lie po is first, marunong po ako mag-play ng ukulele pero hindi po ako ganun kagaling. And second po, I once tried not eating for 7 days except for water. And lastly po, I have an allergy to alcohol.
Okay. Going once, going twice. And then ang ano, Desel. Ano yun?
Yung first po, sir.
Really? Nag-fasting ka ng 7 days?
Yes po.
Paano mo nagawa yun?
Nagfa-fast na rin po talaga ako dati pa for twice a week po. So, medyo nakayanan ko po yung 7 days.
Ang record ko lang is 24 hours. Okay. So, for the next one.
Please be the next, Mary Danessa La Chica.
So, hi po everyone. My name is Merida Nasa Lachica. So, for my two truths, one line po is, first, I love drinking coffee. Second, my 11 years gap ako sa next na kapatid ko. And third is, my grandmother is a Spanish po.
Going once, going twice.
So, ang lie po dun, sir, is yung I love drinking coffee po. Hindi po ako umiinom ng kape. For next po, I'm calling Besario po.
Thank you. Hi po, rinig po ako.
Yes.
So, I'm Christine Joyce Hugo Bisario, and these are the three statements po about me. First one po, sorry. First one po, nanalo po ako ng champion in oration nung nag-compete po ako sa Lasal Antipolo nung grade 9. Second po is I'm a working student po na freelance worker po ang job ko, and I have a client po sa US, and I usually work po from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And last po is I love socializing with people when I was in early high school po.
Nakakang layo. Okay, loto na kayo guys. Following the lines, I'm going twice. Close. Okay, let's go louder.
Yung third po, kasi dati po, ang friend ko lang po ay isa, tapos hate po ako ng mga tao, ayaw nila makapag-usap sa... Ayun po.
Go. Choose the next one.
Si Caroline Balbino. Thank you po.
Good afternoon po. Audible po.
Yes.
So good afternoon po. My name is Ana Caroline Ibaldin, and my three statements are napanood ko na in person ang performance ng Kamikaze. Second one, nanalo ako mag-isa sa cooking contest nung elementary. And then last, naging servant or teacher ako nung summer Bible class.
Stones, and trust. Okay, what's the line? Our line.
Yung live po is yung second one po. Ay, next po is si Samantha Shane po.
Hello po, I'm Samantha Shane Leia po. And ang akin po, yung first statement ko po is 2 beses po ako nag-kinder. Second po is sa province po ako graduate ng elementary at high school. Third po is sa Isabela po ako pinanganak.
Cones-wise, close.
Yung
What
life po
is-
dun is yung second statement po.
Hindi ka province in first one. Right.
Po.
So, ako nag-elementary and high school.
Sa province po ako graduate ng elementary po. Pero ng high school po is lumipat na po kami dito sa Manila.
So, paano ba? Just nothing. Thank you, Shane. Call the next one.
Next po is si Margaret po. Margaret po Lisa.
Po everyone. Audible po ba? Good afternoon. So, I am Margaret Angiolisa po. And these are 3 statements about me po. First statement po is, may allergy po ako sa seafoods. Second statement is, I won a quiz bee in senior high school po. And the last statement po, I have acrophobia or fear of heights.
Well, on farms, wise, and no. Okay, what's the line?
Yung life po is yung first statement po. Wala po akong allergy sa seafood. For the next one po is, may I call on Miss Ioana.
Good afternoon po. So I am Ioana Narel F. Pasilyao and my 3 statement po is kakaresign ko lang. First is kakaresign ko lang sa part-time work ko. Second is I don't love reading books. And third is I'll have a birthmark sa wrist ko.
So, wait naman. Okay, so close. Okay, spill the tea.
Yung live po is kakaresign ko lang po sa part-time work ko. So next po is si Carmela Yuso.
So, may work ka pa rin. Wait lang. Yun.
Meron po.
So, Miss Yuson.
So good afternoon. My name is Carmela Joy Belmonte Yuson. So the 3 statements about me is the first one, I love action thriller drama. Next one is I graduated valedictorian in elementary school. And last is I have a one dog.
Hindi na kayo. Going once, going twice, and close. What's the line?
So yung line po dun is I graduated valedictorian in elementary school po.
Oh,
Yan. So next po is si Miss Jovel Benita.
go to the
Narinig po ako.
yes.
So, my name is Jobel Di Benida po, and three statements ko about myself is, meron po ako na 4 cats, tapos mahilig po ako sa anime, and third, dapat po second year college pa lang ako now.
Going slides. Going with the crowd. Okay, what's the
Yung live po, sir, is ano po, yung mahilig po sa anime.
oh remember
Yung next po is si Fritzy po.
Good afternoon po. Audible po.
yes.
Bale, my name is Fritzy Cajeda and my 3 statements are, first, I once joined a beauty pageant in high school. Second, my dream course is related to business and entrepreneurship. And the third one po is I like playing badminton.
Okay. Once, going twice, going twice, one, twice. So, Trixie, ano yung
Yung number 1 po, yung nag-join po ako ng pageant. Next po, kay si Sarina po.
So my name is Sarina May Almac. So yung 3 statements about myself is, number 1, nakamit and greet ko na si Alden Richards. Number 2, hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng ampalaya. And number 3 is, base yung name ko sa Black Nazarene.
going around, going twice, on a different crowd. Okay, what's the line then?
Yung live po dun is yung number 1 po. So for the next po is si Miss Abanis.
Good afternoon po. I'm Jonna, and yung 3 statements ko po are, yung una, I don't like sweets. Number 2, nag-rank 2 po ako for badminton singles nung junior high. Tapos yung number 3 naman po, I binge watch Twilight series just one day.
Okay. Yung ako, kami sa kwarto. Tumpak ako. Okay, going once, going twice, going thrice. Close. Okay. So,
Yung live po dun is yung number 3. Hindi ko pa po napapanood ang Twilight. And for the next po, may I call on Miss Santos.
Good afternoon po. My name is Gunat Santos, and these are my 2 truths and a lie. First one is I have 3 dogs. Yung mga breed nila is Shih Tzu, Siberian Husky, and mixed breed ng Corgi and Dachshund. Second one is galit ako sa korap at magnanakaw. And the third one is I won 4 awards during my junior high school year in making film.
May bumoto ng number 2, no? Okay. Going once, going twice, and touch.
Yung lie po dun is yung pangatlo. Bali, 3 award lang po yung napalalunan ko. No? Pero nung senior high school po. Next po is si Danica Nogaliza.
Kapit lang guys ha. Alam ko siesta time to. Ano to? Crucial sa mga mata natin. Lahat tayo inaantok. Pero kapit lang. Okay? Kapit lang. Magkape kayo kung kailangan nyo magkape. Pero kaya natin to. Sige, go.
Good afternoon po. My name is Danica Nogaliza and my 3 statement po is first one is marunong ako lumangoy. Pangalawa po is kinagat ako ng pusa ko. Pangatlo po is 20 years old pa lang ako.
Going once, going twice, going practice. Ching! So ano yung lie, Danica?
Yes po, yung live po yung 3 po. Kasi 21 years old na po ako. Next po is si Aguilar po. Thank you.
Good afternoon po, sir. I'm Bea Janine Aguilar, 20 years old po. Ang 3 statement about me po ay, first po is, sumali po ako sa SSG, tapos nanalo po ako as Vice President o nung senior high school. Pangalawa po is, mahilig akong mag-swimming. Pangatlo po ay, mahilig akong magkape.
Okay, so what's the lie? Sorry, I wrote that.
Number 2 po, sir, kasi di po ako marunong lumangoy.
Oh, so the next one. Then,
Si Micah Cortez po.
go now for ourselves.
Hello po, I'm Micah Cortez po. Here's my three statement po. First, I love to draw in my free time. Second, my favorite dessert is chocolate cake. And I can drive a motor po.
Great. Going once, going twice, close. What is the library?
3 po, hindi po ako marunong mag-drive ng motor.
So, wala na mga question.
Si
Follow
Ken
the next one.
Ocampo.
Well,
Hello po, good afternoon po. My name is Kent Justin Ocampo. Ito po yung first statement ko is I love playing basketball. Second statement, I love grow my trip business. And last statement po, kamukha ko daw po si Joshua Garcia.
okay, so what's the line?
Number 3 po, sir. Next naman po si Ken Campbell po. Thank you po, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon po, sir. Ako po si Ken Campbell Kalimag and 21 years old po ako. And nagpe-play po ako ng bass sa banda namin and mahilig po akong umuya ng sili pag nasa bahay. And ako po yung panganay sa aming magkakapatid po.
Sino? Okay. Dun pa tayo, may grammar, kasi may ibang isa. Kung totoo to. We're going once. Going twice. Close. What is the law?
Yung pangatlo po, ako po, hindi po ako yung panganay kasi may half sister po ako na mas patanda sa akin ng months po.
Thank you. Campbell, finally, tapos ko. I ako gusto mag-volunteer. Okay, call the next one.
Si Cedric po, Villahermosa po.
Good afternoon po, sir. So, for first po, I graduated valedictorian in grade 6. I love OPM.
Cedric,
And-
your webcam.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, your webcam open. Sorry.
Open cam. Okay, sir po.
No.
Ayan, sir. So, for first one po, I graduated valedictorian in grade 6. I love OPM and I am an officer po noong grade 11.
Okay. Okay, what's the wait na. Going once, going twice, going twice, and okay, what's the nice and big?
Ang lahi po ay number 1.
Hindi ka valedictorian. So ano ka? Valedictorian.
Hindi, ano lang sir, estudyante lang po.
Karaniwang tao lang. Sino yung nasa profile picture mo, Ella May? Ikaw ba yan?
Hindi po, sir. Background lang, sir.
Si ano ba yan? Si Billy Joanna ba?
Si Aya po. Si Bini Aya.
Right. So, call the next one. So, ano, pwede na mag-volunteer, guys, para matapos mo daw. Nang makaligo na kayo sa pool. Wala mag-volunteer. O, dito mo tatapos. Bala kayo. May klase pa ako ng 4:30. Tapos na lahat. So, tapos na pala lahat. Very good. So, unfortunately, wala. Masyado nyo na kilala ang isa't isa. Parang first time in forever na walang panalo sa isang section. So, pero may isang may isang malapit. Consider ko na. So, yung almost a winner. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, 5 yung hindi namuwala. Pero almost. Pero yung pinaka-konti talaga. Yung 3 lang, perfect na sana. Kung dahil lang sa 3, perfect na sana. Ang isang panalo sa inyo is ito ba siya? Si Carmela Joy. Classmate mo yun? Yeah, Yuson. So, ikaw yung exempted. Okay. So there, nakatag na ba yung yung call center visits niyo? Hindi pa ba nakatag? Kasi kung nakatag na, may meeting na tayo sa Saturday. Pero kung hindi pa nakatag, tinatanong ko kay Ma'am Soto kung pwede ko na kayo sa Saturday. Okay? So, yun lang naman. So, to be announced pa yung next class na ito. So, for the meantime, open nyo na yung webcam nyo. Sorry.
Kasi sa ibang table pa. Mag-ibang table. Diba dalawang table?
Sir, nakamute ka po.
So, sinasabi ko lang yan. Yung screenshot ng attendance natin is bawal i-leak outside. Okay? So, tayo-tayo lang yung nakakaalam. Huwag yung i-leak outside of RGC yung mga mga materials natin, di ba? Yung mga syllabus, yung mga screenshot. So, exclusive lang siya sa mga mata. Do not leak it to other section or anyone outside. So, yun. Dapat tayo lang nakakaalam yung session na, especially kung screenshot. Okay? So, first slide, 1, 2, 3, 7. Smile. By the way pala class, help me yung secretary mo. Paki take note yung absent sa GC natin. Right after every session. Paki-take note lang kung sino. Okay, second slide. 1, 2, 3. Tulog sa camera. 1, 2, 3. Smile. So yun lamang ating agenda for you. And that is all. Nice meeting you all, ICT Subuan. And goodbye for the meeting. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, thank you.
Thank you po,
Thank you po,
sir.
sir.
Thank you po.
Salamat.